Hey guys, Proctor Reviews. Got a video doorbell ring via Amazon back a couple days ago on the deal days. I don't remember what that is, 30% off or whatever. So it just showed up. Kind of do a quick little what you get in the package deal here and go from there. Sorry, I don't have a phone holder. Alright, looks like they give you a screwdriver. I guess because if you're going to install this, you need a screwdriver. But they don't give you a drill. Looks like they give you a drill. I guess they assume if you have a drill, you don't have a screwdriver. I don't know. And a level. So they give you a masonry drill in case you got to drill into brick. Some fasteners. And the doorbell. Directions. A diode. Interesting. That's in case you don't know your positive from your negative. Backing plate, mounting plate, and it's like a charger. And there you have it. I will be installing this probably today. I don't know, it's a beautiful day out. Lake Coeur d'Alene. Anyway, we'll see if we can't get this going and do a quick review on the actual working Ring doorbell that seems to be the rage. Thanks. Bye.